Okay, guys, it's Monday morning. Loads to do, but we're looking at the DAX this morning, and the DAX has been a funny little creature. I've just done a pre-analysis of it and then put it into the Discord, so it's here. I'll do the write-up for it in a minute once I start the trade, but I've already done the video. There it is there, so we're looking to buy it for about 23 pips. Now the euro is pushing up the top. Now this will put pressure in the DAX, but not too much that it won't push up. Right, it's coming into play roughly now. So we're going to start the process. So we're going to get an order in. Fish. There we go. Right, so the order's in. Now what we're going to do is we're now going to set the target for 23 pips. So that's approximately there. So it's worth about 100 quid. Now, the trade itself is quite a simple trade. There's a lot of momentum coming in. It is Monday morning. It's a dangerous time to trade. But the trick is kind of let the open finish. Now, the DAX opened at 7 o'clock this morning. So it's had a good 2 hours of this session to figure out what it's up to. We've been through the London Open. So we don't need to worry about that. I've checked the economic calendar. There's nothing at this moment in time. And the general market is pushing up. So if we come out to here, you'll see it's been pushing up, but it's stalling in and around this area. Now, with that stall, that becomes a bit of a worry because this could easily come back down into this. So what I'm targeting is basically just the push through where every man and his dog will start looking to buy. So the market will push up, and then if it's going to get trapped, they'll slam it down to bring it back up again. Okay? But in the meantime, it will let the market push through, and it'll just probe this, maybe get about 20 pips above it. Well, in this case, not so much 20 pips because I've set the order back into it and bang. Now, I will stage into this. We've got swing points here and a protection point there. So I've got all of this to do, but it may actually run down at that. So I've got to be a little bit box clever with it. So I might widen out the space. I haven't figured that out yet. But the general premise is it's pushing up. And as you can see, it's come up, it goes down, pushes up, goes down, it's come up. But it hasn't gone down significantly, which is telling me this is a stall, and I don't want to chance my arm, so I'm only going to let it go that far. So if I get 100 quid out of this, I'll be more than happy. So I'll drop it down into 5 minutes. I'm going to do the write-up for the guys now. You may see some extra orders come in, so don't worry about that. And what I've done for them, just so you can kind of see the timestamps. There is there. There's a video of exactly how I'm going to trade this. And that was done before I've done the video. And then if you come down into the market updates, that's already telling them there what I'm up to as well. And then for those of you that might be interested, we have this little WhatsApp group now. This is free for everybody to come in. All of the YouTube videos are put in here, as you can see. So if YouTube don't sort of tell you what's going on, you'll be able to come in here and you'll click onto the most current video. And you'll also see little bits of my strength sheet and things like that. There's a link for that down in the description. Be good to see it grow. We've got 200 guys keeping an eye on it at the moment. And if you're stuck, you can always message me through WhatsApp as well. Okay, kids, let's play this one out and see where we get. Okay, guys, closed it off. 50 quid. It's just gone 10:15, and it's struggling. So it was better to take the money and then reset and have another little look at it than just have a wing and a prayer. So we're out. Tickets are off. 50 odd quid. I can kind of go with that. But look at what's happening. It's bouncing, struggling. It's been up and down. It's the sensible thing to do. Okay. Now, when it comes to sort of monitoring your trades, I give it an hour. Let it see how it gets on. And then if it's not really doing what I'm after, I'll kind of make a choice. You know, in this case was, well, we'll just take the money, reset, and have another look. But it's Monday morning. It's very dangerous, so you've got to be careful anyway. Are you ever careful?
Always.
Hey.
Yeah.
How did we have kids then? You weren't careful then. Look at her smiling. Oh, she's reminiscing. Yeah, are you reminiscing because we got the kids or the making of them?
Oh, I'm not even answering.
Why?
Because you'll twist it.
I was twisting something.
Oh, honestly.
Boom. Well, you've got to get a little dirty joke in once in a while. I'm going to be watching Mutiny on the Buses tonight. Fantastic. Well, it's all innuendo, isn't it?
It is.
I'm looking forward to watching that because I love all that shit. So that's another shit trade done. Popeye can go fuck himself. Rest of you, if you stayed, happy days. But I'll just be quick and then I'm off. Catch you soon. Okay, guys, quick interlude because I'm asked on pretty much every video a couple of questions. Who do I use and what platform do I use to build small accounts? Well, it's very simple. I come to BlackBull because you can trade with any amount of money that you choose. You've got over 26,000 products. So if you're Forex, indices, shares, commodities, you're going to find it. And they've got excellent world-leading leverage, which you can use to open up an asset and get your positions in. And also the spreads are fantastic. These are the companies that I use to build up. From here, I take it over into the fivers. I have never had a problem getting paid off these, as you can see. And one of the beauties of the fivers at the moment is they're introducing new programs and platforms all the time. They've now recently come back over into the US. So you guys can now take advantage of the prop. And you've got C Trader. And you've got the 3 programs here to choose from, which are very cost effective. Now, to give you an example, there's an account there, 157. You might be thinking, wow, what's that got to do with anything? Well, it is BlackBull, but let's see where it came from. Well, if I take this right to the very top, you'll see it started with £15, and then there's all of the trades running through. Don't get it right all the time, but running through £142 worth of profit, giving me 157. Well, if that's the case, I can now go and buy a prop fund and then feed those funds back into the live to push it forward. Now, if you're interested in any of these, come along and visit my website. You will see everything that I do, and there's extra discounts and exclusive links for both the companies. And both companies use the following platforms, which is TradingView, CTrader and MetaTrader. My personal choice is MetaTrader, but it's all there for you, so you're on the same page, whichever.
I'd buy that for $1.
Good luck. Catch you soon. Let's get back to the video.